Hey everyone, how are you? I am back and I am going to make some Mackenzie Child inspired butterflies. Her butterflies are, some of them I believe are close to $100. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous if you have the money, which it ain't happening right now. So what I'm going to do is I took this from the catalog. I took a photo of it, took it from the catalog and just enlarged it and printed it out, putting it on some chipboard. Gonna glue it on with my glue stick. Okay. And we are going to have a few butterflies that we can put with our decor. So for all of my Mackenzie Child lovers, and especially if you get her catalogs, once you buy one thing, they'll start sending you catalogs for every season. They're a lot of fun to look at. And like I've said before, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed already, I really wish you would subscribe, share my videos with everyone that you think might like these particular kinds of DIYs. I would love that. And thank you for coming in and watching. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that dry. And then I'll cut around anything that's a little bit, just a little bit over the paper, not a big deal. And I might take a little ink and just go around the edges. And then what I'll do is I'll put just a little wire on the back here so I can have it be 3D, you know, coming out of maybe a flower pot or whatever I decide to do. But whatever I do with these, you'll see it. And I want to give it some movement. Okay. See the difference between, well, I'll show you in a minute. You really can't tell too much like that. But what you can do is you can take a backing, make another shape of this and put the wire in between the two pieces. I'm just going to put a piece on the back of this. So let's do this one. So I'm going to cut it. So here's the paper. It's just regular old printer paper, and this is a inkjet. It is not a laser. You can do things. I was scared to death, you guys, for years. I did not use my inkjet for things like this, and I thought I'm just not going to be able to do the things that people do with the laser printer. Well, for every DIY that I've done having to do with printed out pictures, I have used my inkjet and I have not had one problem. Not one. Not saying that there aren't certain things that probably a laser would do better. All I'm saying is my inkjet, it has been perfectly fine for what I have used it for. I hope you guys are doing well. It's about 12:30 in the morning and I'm doing these because I am running out of time as usual. I'm telling you, the days just, it's weird, they just fly by. So I'm just tracing this. Okay, very easy. Just like our little vintage dolls that we've made in the past to decorate our homes for the holidays. This is no different. Same exact thing, just a different kind of print. I got the others cut out, but I just wanted to do one with you because sometimes people want to see it. I mean, they don't need to see it 3 times, but nevertheless, I thought I would go ahead. Not like you don't need to see someone just cut out a shape from some chipboard, but what the heck, right? Okay. Right, let's go for it. I got to put new saran wrap on my Lazy Susan to keep it protected, which it has worked wonders as far as keeping the paint off of it. Okay, I'm going to let that dry just like the other one, and let's put together the third one. And she has a lot of different butterflies. Some are in that royal blue, some are in greens. They have different shapes. I wanted to stay more with the original Mackenzie Child courtly check look because that's more of what I like for my house. See, when you start kind of molding the chipboard, it gives it more of a dimensionalized look, and it'll look pretty wherever you put them. Letting those dry. Now let's do this one. This one I thought was really pretty. And you can see her flowers, and these flowers really, to me, represent fall. But here's her courtly check down in here. So I'm going to make this one. Okay. And a glue stick works perfect. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Go perfect for fall. Isn't that pretty? So here are the 3. And I will be back. I'm going to go ahead, let these dry. I'm going to glue a little bit of a wire on the back so they can be put into a planter or flower arrangement or a, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of them in a wreath, but you'll be with me when I do it. So I'm going to put those to the side, let them dry, and then I'm going to cut around it and maybe ink them just a little bit. Okay, so what I did is I just took a little of this Stays On. It's a permanent ink, and I did it in the dark brown because this has little streaks of brown in it. And I just went over all the edges and smudged a little bit onto the paper. Gives it a little bit of dimension. Okay? And then if there's any cardboard, it covers that up too. So now I'm just going to get the wire and glue it on and put them, I guess where I'm going to put them, or I'll just, well, I'll show you where I put them. There's your Mackenzie child butterflies. Just from printing them out and putting them on some cardboard. It's such a cute addition to my fall mantle. Now sure, would I like to have Mackenzie child, the real thing? Of course. Do I want to pay that much money? No. So you do the second best thing. Guys, I hope you'll do this. It does add an adorable addition to any season. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.